because Jamaican man don't like the boring woman them. You cannot be boring. You have to be body in a bed, girl, your body in a bed. Hey, body in a bed, girl, your body in a bed. Whoa, body in a bed, girl, your body in a bed. Whee! You see this ring on my finger? Yes. If you want a Jamaican man to marry you, these are 5 things that you need to know. All right. Now, I'm not talking about the waste man, them, no. I'm talking about the Jamaican men who are actually looking for a wife material in you. Now, Jamaican men don't really commit that easily, but if you follow these things, they might just put a ring on it. So the first tip that I'm gonna give you guys, all right, and make sure you write this down, grab a pen, grab a paper, write down, jot down some of these notes, all right, jot down some things. First tip is Jamaican men love a woman who knows what she's doing. Have your life together. At least have a job or an income, something that's bringing some money into your pocket, right? On your own. That's such a turn on. Not saying that you're gonna have to be rich and have thousands of dollars saved up in your account. No, nothing like that. It's just to just have the mindset that you're a hustler, you're going out there, you're getting your own thing, and you're independent. Also, be responsible. Have something going on in life. Like have something that you're working towards. Have a purpose. So because when you have a purpose and you have something working on in life, it's like a little turn on for them, because they know that, yo, you know what, this girl is not rich, but at least she's working towards her goal. Or this girl is not rich, but at least she's this, or at least she's that. So that's what you want, right? You want to work on yourself and work on the things that are important to you. But then they look at that like, damn, I really admire that about that girl. You know what I mean? You have to have your own swag. You have to have your own confidence. You have to, when you step out, you have to step out confident. Even if you know in yourself that you're not that confident, make people believe that you're confident. You know what I mean? Step out with confidence. When you're going on the road, dress nice, put yourself together, not in a skettle way, but in a nice way. Put on nice clothes, you look good, you smell good, and stuff like that. When he sees you doing all those things by yourself already, it's like he wants to invest in you more. He wants to give you his time, his attention, and guess what? At the end of the day, he's gonna start spending all his money on you, girl. The second tip that I want to give you is make sure that you are a clean person. Because you know why? Cleanliness is next to godliness. And we have been hearing that thing since we were a kid growing up. So these men, they already know, one thing with Jamaican men, most of them, they already know how to clean. They already know how to do the dishes. They already know how to do their laundry because they had to do it when they were younger. So the least that you can do if you want to be a wife material or you want this Jamaican man to marry you, you have to be clean. Personal hygiene is a must. First of all, if you don't have good personal hygiene, maybe you're not even gonna be a girlfriend to begin with, much less to talk about wife material. But those are the things that you have to make sure. You have to make sure you take a shower, you brush your teeth, you wash your face, you put on clean clothes, you smell nice, you use fragrance on yourself, stuff like that. Put yourself together and clean up your house. Make sure that the sheet that you have on your bed is clean. You're inviting the man over to your house. Clean up the place. Make sure the sheet clean. Most of the time, men would complain, right? And they would say like, oh, I went to this girl's house and can you believe when you lay on the bed, there's so much crumbs. Like, clean up your bed, my girl. You have a man coming over. You don't want to give him a clean sheet. You know what I mean? Much less you want to be a wife material. Clean up your place. Make sure the place is nice and clean. It's not about being a maid. It's just like putting yourself up to that standard where your place is clean. It doesn't have to be spotless like you have to clean every single day, but at least everything has to be in order. You know what I mean? Cleanliness is next to godliness. Next tip that I want to give you guys, and this is number 3. Make sure you know how to cook. You have to know how to cook. You don't have to be a big bad chef, but you have to know at least how to make simple meals. You know what I mean? Because usually Jamaican men already know how to cook. A lot of them would be like, if they know you're not really good at cooking, or you can do your thing but you're not that good, they would tell you like, oh, you know what, I will cook. But you don't want them to tell you that they will cook, because imagine if the man falls sick one time. what you're gonna do, order takeout all the time. You have to make sure that you can at least make some little soup for the man if the man feels sick. You know what I mean? Like, at least know how to cook, because growing up in Jamaica, most of these men, they used to run boat. We have a thing that we call run boat, when they would cook food with their friends, all of them put together whatever money they have, and they all put together and run a boat. So Jamaican men already know how to cook, so you should also match his energy and know how to cook too. As I said, you don't have to be a big bad chef, but know a thing or two about the kitchen. And this one is very, 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 very important, okay? Because if we're talking about how to get a Jamaican man to marry you, we cannot leave out the bedroom action. Sex and intimacy is very important in any marriage, so we cannot leave that out. So if you want a Jamaican man to marry you, you have to be body in a bed, girl, your body in a bed. Boy, body in a bed, girl, your body in a bed. Hey, body in a bed, girl, your body in a bed. DJ, now you get out of bed. Marriage without intimacy, that's weak. That's weak. You know what you're doing? Opening your doors to all the other competitions out there. So you have to at least know how to please your partner in the bedroom. That's very, very, very important. A lot of women too, whenever you get married, they get lame. They start dressing in this long gown, not looking nice and sexy again. Because you have to remember, this marriage is a lifetime commitment. You're thinking about 5 years down the line, 10 years down the line, 15 years down the line, 20 years down the line. You're thinking about all those years ahead. So you can't just let the intimacy die down. You have to keep the spark alive. You gotta be sexy for your man. You gotta put on those sexy lingerie. You have to look nice. You know what I mean? Or else, if you don't do that, there's a lot of competition out there. There's a lot of competition out there. So you want your husband's eyes to be on you only. You better make sure you're doing the things that you're supposed to do. Put on some little sexy nightie. Put on some little sexy lingerie. Surprise him. If you really don't know how to do those stuff, there's a lot of tutorial. Go watch tutorial. Learn how to bend your back, and all those stuff, I can't really get into too much details because this is YouTube and we gotta keep it appropriate, but you know what I mean. Read between the lines. You have to know how to perform properly in the bedroom, because most Jamaican men, they know what they're doing. Because if you already watch if you're already into dancehall and see how the music is, you already hear what they sing about, right? So they already know what they're doing. So if you want the man to marry you, you at least have to match the man's energy. You can't let the man alone do all the work. You have to do some work too. Don't just lay there. Just do something. You know what I mean? Yeah. Read between the line. I can't really elaborate too much on this because this is YouTube. But read between the lines. So last but not least, and I saved the best two for last. If you want a Jamaican man to marry you, you have to respect him. As I said in the beginning of this video, this is not for the waste man them. This is for the men who are actually looking for a wife material in you. So if the man is looking for a wife material, he's looking for somebody who is respectful. You gotta be respectful to your man. And a lot of women now in 2026, they're like, oh, I don't want to be submissive because blah, 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 and all these stuff. But you gotta be girly. You gotta be living in your soft girl era. You know what I mean? Like, you have to be girly. You can't just be like this big boisterous person. You're a woman. Act feminine. Or if you're being submissive to your man, it doesn't mean that you're a wimp or that you're weak. You know what I mean? You're not weak. It's just that you're living in your feminine energy. It doesn't have to do anything about being wimp or you're bowing down to him saying, oh God, oh my king, oh my this. No, that's not what it is. Being submissive is just being in your girly era. Be a woman. That's what you are. You know what I mean? So be submissive to your man. Be very respectful to him. Even if you're arguing, you can argue, but you don't have to disrespect the person. You can choose the words. Calm down first. Choose the words wisely. You have to be respectful, just as though you would want your man to respect you. You also have to respect the man. You can even use just regular pleasantries. Oh, thank you, baby. Please. Thank you. I'm sorry. Stuff like that. You have to be respectful. If not, I guess you're just not looking for a husband then. You're always gonna be single and Valentine is coming. Where is your boyfriend? You are sitting at home. You are so lonely. Abena, 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 abena. Where is your boyfriend? Eh. And simple as that, that's how you get a Jamaican man to marry you. Out of all these points, which one do you think is more important? And if you found value in this video, go ahead and share it to another girl who you think will work out, will help. Because we all know, we love the Jamaican man them, you know. Jamaican man them sweet and Jamaican man them nice. So if you found value in this video, go ahead and share it to a friend that might find value in this video too. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this video, and I'll check you guys in the next video. Bye.